If you're spending 30 minutes, an hour, or longer designing every single YouTube thumbnail, I'm about to save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to do a video overview of the tool, the AI tool, ThumbnailCreator.com. Now, I get pitched probably 15 to 30 tools every single day with this tutorial YouTube channel that I run. And I wanted to feature this one because I think this one has what it takes to stand above the rest. So let's dive into it. What is Thumbnail Creator? So Thumbnail Creator allows you to put in a video URL. So you can see that I've done one here for this video option here. So I put in one of my video URLs and it generated a thumbnail, and you can have it generate, 2, 3, all the way up to 10 thumbnails for you. Now, the beauty of this is that it's not just giving the URL to the tool and then it kind of populates that. You can actually add faces. So you can upload 10 different images of yourself from different angles, and it will allow you to utilize that face when we create thumbnails. You can add your brand with your brand colors and styles. You can do different styles, like I liked Ali Abdaal's style for his thumbnail, and you can click into here and it will actually allow you to create this exact style from that video. So again, let's go home and let me walk you through exactly what we're going to do. Here's one of my video tutorials. I'm going to just go to the link and copy that link for one of my videos. Then I'm going to paste that right here where it says, what's your video URL? And then we're going to click the button that says generate thumbnails. Now, depending on the plan that you're using, I'm just going to show you as if you're a free trial user, what you would get. You get 10 generations. And then what you would do is once you do the video to thumbnail, you have a couple of things you need to provide the tool so it gives you the best result. First would be add faces. If you want to add a face, you can say no face model, or I've already created one right here and I've named it after myself. You can go right here to the faces option, and just like I told you earlier, you go to create new face, give it a name, upload some training images for the tool, and you're good to go. Then you can even upload other reference photos if it's specific to that video. Once you've done that, you'll click continue. Then products. Are there any product photos that you want to make sure are highlighted in the thumbnail? You can upload those or drag those here by uploading them from your computer. We'll go ahead and skip that option there. And then what are our custom instructions? First things first, we want it to give us, let's say, 4 different options. We want to give some custom instructions here. Do you want to make the text bigger? Do you want to use dark colors? Focus on the product? You give it whatever specific instructions you may want here. Now, style reference, optional. There are save styles, which as you see, I have a minimalist save style here. And then we have use reference. We can even download a previously uploaded thumbnail here and have it copy that style. We'll go ahead and say minimalist style here, and then we want to make sure that it's in the landscape format, which is the widescreen for long form videos and not for short form. And then when we've provided everything to the tool, we'll click the button here that says generate thumbnails. Now, the beauty of this is as it's analyzing your video and populating the thumbnails, you can be doing other things. You can be editing the video, you can be doing the other socials, whatever you need to do as a creator. While this is working on your thumbnails, you can do something else. Now, obviously you have to provide a URL, so you upload it as private first, then provide the URL, and you're good to go. Another cool thing that you can do here as that is working is there is an editor where you can go here and upload a image or generate an image by selecting a face model. But if we go to upload image here, we can add a URL that's already uploaded, or we can go to upload YouTube thumbnail here and we can provide a thumbnail. So if we go right here and let's just say this thumbnail, we can give it that thumbnail that I've already created. And what can we do from this? We can change that from 16:9 to 9:16, convert that to a different size. We can go ahead and edit with AI, describe the changes that you may want and apply the edit, or there is a button here that says auto optimize. If we click on that, it's going to analyze the thumbnail that we've uploaded and apply the optimizations based on AI recommendations. All right, so let's talk about now the plans that you can do. So as you can see here, if we go here and go to billing, we'll see the different options and the different plans that we have. They have annual and monthly plans. As you can see here, there is a starter plan, which gets you 50 credits per month. The creator plan, which is their most popular plan, gets you 100. And then if you're working with other creators like I do, you may want the teams plan, which is $100 a month. And if you decide to choose the annual, you'll get 2 free months. Now, if you use my link, you'll obviously get more credits, and it obviously helps me out if this video was helpful to you. So that's kind of the way that works. Next, if we go back here, you can see here are the other thumbnails. You got unlock links here. You got right here, fix your bio. Here's some links with the TikTok. I mean, these are all really good. Now, which one do I like the best? Probably this one here. In order for this to work, you have to provide it with the assets it needs to make sure it produces the best possible thumbnails. Doing and taking time to upload the faces, go here and upload the brands, go here and look at the different styles and how you can copy and paste those. It's going to, again, dictate whether or not it produces the thumbnails that are usable for your channel. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Again, you'll see a link to get you a bunch of free credits in the description and pinned comment. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if this was something that you were utilizing in your YouTube work stack. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.